Hello, I am Fatima Sayed from Shahpur. I had enrolled in Akash Kalyan 2 years back to start my NEET preparation. My parents are doctors. My daddy is an orthopedician and my mama is a gynecologist. Even my brother is on his way to become a doctor. He's at LTMMC Sion. So I'm inspired by the three of them. My elder brother had completed his coaching from the same institute. Even he took coaching from Akash Kalyan. So I just followed in his footsteps. My strategy was always follow a plan. Like when you wake up in the morning, you should have your daily targets right in front of you and a fixed time set aside for each of the targets. I would also keep buffer days and buffer time and set time aside for error analysis also. It is very important to follow the test planner given by Akash. जैसे उनके टेस्ट प्लान है अपनी प्रिपरेशन उसी अकॉर्डिंग चलनी चाहिए. And NCERT is our priority. Revise it multiple times, make short notes out of it so that you can revise it at the end. You should revise whatever is taught in the lectures on the same day and try to solve MCQs on that because इस टाइम पे बेस बनता है. अभी अगर जो रिवाइज किया है वो लॉन्ग टाइम तक याद रहेगा. And final test series consists of about 14 tests. It is very important to analyze these series properly. बिकॉज ये जस्ट एग्ज़ाम से पहले है. यहाँ पर हम जो मिस्टेक्स करेंगे वो एग्ज़ाम में वापस रिपीट नहीं होंगे अगर हम एनालाइज करें. एक्चुअली यू हैव टू स्टडी द सेम थिंग्स फॉर बोथ नीट एंड बोर्ड्स, बट द थिंग इज बोर्ड्स आर वेरी सब्जेक्टिव whereas NEET is objective. So there's only a mild difference which you can cover at the end. Like I gave only 1 month for board preparations and the rest all the time I devoted for NEET. See, if you are struggling with procrastination, then it is advisable to make a timetable. There was a time in 12th when my score deteriorated. I was initially scoring above 700 and then my score dropped to something 680s, 670s. So this was a little low time for me. Your mentors will help you a lot. Mentorship program by Akash is one of the best things you get here. And talking to your mentor will get you out of that zone and back on track. I don't remember the exact count how many times I've read, but I will advise at least 4 to 5 times NCERT should be revised, and wherever possible make short notes, because when you are a month or two away from the exam, then short notes are going to help you a lot. It's very difficult to revise the entire text again and again. If you have highlighted properly, if you have underlined or added notes in the margins or below the diagrams, then it becomes easy. In the final months, you cannot go on reading all the text or solving module again. In the last months, you will be solving only mock test. Solve a mock test daily and analyze it on the same day. Along with that, revise your short notes. You can also refer to the NCERT maps provided by Akash Byju's. They help in quick revision. Most importantly, whatever error analysis you have prepared all the 2 years, including all the FTs, all the term exams and all the AITS, you have to revise in the last months because you may make the same mistake again. There are a few questions in my analysis book which I have solved incorrectly about 3 times. Akash Byju's has a rigorous testing system which consists of a number of test series like FTs, term exams, AITS, mock tests and many more. So after giving so many tests, NEET just feels like any other exam. My parents are my support pillar. Whenever I felt low, whenever I felt stressed, I used to talk to them and I would feel better. These 2 years I was active only on Telegram and on Microsoft Teams. Other than that, I don't have any other social media apps. Those who are struggling to keep a check on your phone use, you can use a feature called as Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. It will be available in your phone settings. There you can set up screen time limits for apps and also set up work time and me time. See, it's very important to have a certain amount of me time in your day. You can't just keep studying for long hours. So you should take short breaks, spend time with your family or set some time for exercise or for meditation, whichever you feel good. I had a wonderful experience. I enjoyed the process. I enjoyed my preparation to my fullest extent. I have built good relationships with my teachers at Akash. Akash Byju's provides you with a competitive exposure. So you meet people with similar mindsets, you compete with them, and you grow up with them. According to me, consistency is the key. You don't have to study for 9 to 13 hours daily. You just have to study for 6 to 7 hours, but you have to do it every day. Turn towards your teachers and mentors whenever you need guidance. Read, revise, and practice, and repeat the process. Believe in yourself and stay focused on your goal. I would like to thank my parents and my teachers at Akash, who have been my support pillar and a constant source of motivation for me. Thank you and all the best.